Hi everyone, my name's Rebecca Raitt from Empowered Avenue, and today we are making Guatemalan Worry dolls. These are gorgeous little dolls which are hand wrapped with yarn. This is one I prepared earlier, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. So all you need is a pipe cleaner, some different coloured wool or yarn, and a pair of scissors. So to start with, grab your pipe cleaner, twist it in half and around to make the head. Then bend up one of the arms and fold that over as well. And then do the same on the other side. Then twist the body around a few times until you get down to the legs. Then I'm just folding up the ends of the pipe cleaner so it's not so sharp, so they will be the feet. And that is your base for your Guatemalan Worry doll. Then pick a coloured wool, and this is going to be the hair. So cut off a strand about this long, and I did about 10 of these. So cut them all out roughly, it doesn't need to be exact because you will be trimming it at the end. Then I get one piece of yarn and I tie it on the head. And I double tie it just for security. And that's one piece of hair. Then I tie all the rest of them on. So the story behind Guatemalan Worry dolls and why I really thought this was a great activity for the kids we had was that it takes your worries away. You can tell them your worries and then they will take them away. They're so small, they're easy to carry around. You could make them into a necklace or put them in your pocket or under your pillow, and they're just such a great, cute little doll. So here I'm just finishing off the hair, and then I'm just trimming off the excess to make it all one length. Now grab another colour for the face, and I start by tying it around the middle, around the neck, and then I found it easier to wrap if you're using both pieces of string instead of one. So I get them both together like this and I start wrapping the face. You can choose any colours you like. As you saw earlier, we did lots of different colours. I found it easier to hold it by the hair to keep the hair out of the way, and you just wrap all the way up until you get to the base of the hair, and this covers the whole circle so there aren't any gaps. Then once you get up to the top, just keep wrapping all the way back down, and I just kept going until you got to the body to tie off that end piece. You don't have to tie it because you're going to be wrapping over the top, but it just makes it a little bit easier if you do tie it so it's not unraveling just like that. So that's our face. Now grab the longest piece of yarn you can that's not going to tangle. I again tied it around the neck or around the middle, and again I found it easier to wrap with both pieces. It made it a lot quicker and thicker. So I just started wrapping around the neck, and then we went down to the body and I did a crisscross over the body, and I'm just trimming off that extra piece there, and then I wrapped all the way down and then came up and did the arms all the way to the end, not quite to the end or it comes undone. So just keep wrapping all the way over the arms, then keep doing a crisscross over the body. The body you want to be the thickest part of the doll. So I did a couple of layers. I think that was my second layer over, and I ran out of yarn. So I'm just grabbing some more, and I've tied it back on the same, and I just keep wrapping. So there's a couple of layers on here, and I just kept wrapping up to the neck, all the way around the arms again. This made it a much more sturdy doll for the children. Once you get to the end, tie it off. You can also use a hot glue gun to seal that piece. Then grab your next colour, and this is going to be the pants on this doll. So I got another long piece, tied it around the waist this time. And then just start wrapping again. and then just wrap back up to the waist to make it the same thickness as the body. And once you get to the end of your thread, you can tie it off. To make it extra secure, you could also use a hot glue gun to secure that end piece, or any other loose pieces like around the hands to stop them from unraveling. And here I've just found another loose end and I'm tying that off as well. These dolls are super easy to do, and the children had lots of fun picking out the coloured wool that they wanted to use and making them themselves. And here is our finished Guatemalan Worry doll. Isn't she cute? You can also glue down that hair at the back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.